Have you ever wanted a $200 pair of ripped and frayed jeans like you see at the mall, but just couldn't afford it? I have your answer. And today in my video, I'm going to teach you how, step by step, to do it yourself. Now, as you can see, we've got a regular pair of blue jeans. These were already mine. And I'm telling you, I look at, when we go to the mall and I see all these fashions, if I can do it myself and tweak little stuff to save myself some money, that's exactly what I do. Now, the first thing, let me tell you, these jeans did not fray as well as the last ones I had done. These are 100% cotton denim, and these are a blend. They did not fray as well as I had hoped, as well as the regular cotton, so that's a little tip. But the first thing I did was, when I put my blue jeans on, I took a pencil, and I wanted to make sure that it didn't have any thigh or anything hanging out that wasn't supposed to, and I wanted them strategically placed. So I took a pencil and ever lightly just marked a line where I wanted the slits to be. Then I laid them out on the table, like so, and took my scissors, and you pinch the blue jeans like so, making sure that you're not cutting through the bottom layer. I just took the top layer and made a slit with the scissors down about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, just enough to allow me to take the scissors to go in and cut the slit larger. And you can cut the slit as long as you want. These I took and I didn't cut the slit very big. And these I cut a little bit bigger, and it's weird because when I washed them, they frayed completely different. So it's kind of a guessing game, and you're kind of really not going to know exactly what you're going to get until you do. But one wash and these are totally frayed, and when you put the blue jeans on, it's just going to show you that there are random holes and slits. Like if you want a hole, of course you would cut a circular hole. If you want a slit, you just cut a straight line. But however you do it, when you wash it, it's going to fray the shape that you cut. And as you can see, I've kind of staggered them so they're not all. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going down to these two here toward the bottom, and I want the holes to be kind of bigger like the one up on the thigh. Now, another idea that I did with some other jeans is I cut the bottom off. I'm short, so all the blue jeans, a lot of them, and if I'm doing like my rocker chick outfit or just blue jeans, I cut the bottoms off and they will fray as well, the bottom of your blue jeans. And so that's another tip. It is easy. It took me all of 10 minutes from start to finish with the marking and the cutting. Wash just like you usually do, and you will have your DIY ripped and frayed blue jeans. You guys, if you want more fashion hacks and insider beauty tips from behind the cosmetics counter, be sure and check out kimsbeautybiz.com. The boutique collection is coming soon. I can't wait. But for now, you just remember that the pink buttons, everything you want to know, they'll tell you where to go. Blog, YouTube. If you're watching from YouTube, remember to please subscribe and comment below if you guys liked the video and found it helpful. I do always appreciate your support. Hope you have a glorious day, and always remember, much love.